Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start with a revision of lesson 3, that is fiber to fabric. You had already done this chapter in the class. Today we are going to revise this chapter, fiber to fabric. But you all wear clothes, variety of clothes with variety of fabrics you wear, है ना? So first question arises in our mind, why do we need to wear clothes? Means, what is the need of wearing clothes? What are the reasons behind the need to wear clothes? There are basically 3 reasons that why do we need to wear clothes. First is, clothes protect our body from various climatic conditions. When it is heat, our clothes protect us from the heat of the sun. When it is cold, our clothes protect us from the coldness. When it is raining, these clothes protect us from the rain also, right? So they protect us from heat, cold, rain. Not only the weather conditions, but clothes are also protecting us from dust, insects, flies. When our body is covered with clothes, these flies, dust, insects, they don't dare to touch our skin. Right? Apart from this, clothes make us look good, make us look smart. They are the symbols of our identification also. Like you people wear uniform when you go to school. By looking into the uniform, we come to know you are students of Swami Sandas Public School. Doctors wear coat, white coat. By looking into their coat, we know they are doctors. Lawyers, they wear black coats, long coats. When we look their coats, we came to know that they are the lawyers. In the same way, policemen, they have their own uniform. Army people, they have their own uniform. Means these clothes, they tell us about our profession also. So there is so many needs to wear clothes, right? Now beta, the question arises, how clothes are made? From where do we get clothes? Bache, these clothes, the material that is used to make these clothes is known as fabric. The material that is used to make clothes is known as fabric. Now this fabric is made of fibers. From where do you obtain fabric? From the fibers. Fibers undergo various processes and then fabric is obtained. And then this fabric, it is cut, designed, stitched, iron, and you are able to wear this, right? Now let us start from the fibers. How do you get the fibers? From where do the fibers are obtained? Bache, fibers are of 2 types. Mainly we get fibers from 2 sources, natural or synthetic. Means there are 2 types of fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Now what are natural fibers? Fibers that are obtained from natural resources. Natural resources like plants and animals, right? Fibers that are obtained from plants or animals are known as natural fibers. And the fibers that are made in factories, that is made by using chemicals, that is known as synthetic fibers. Now coming to the examples. Which fibers are obtained from plants? They are cotton, jute, linen. They all are obtained from plants, right? And which fibers are obtained from animals? Wool, silk, leather, right? They all are obtained from animals. And which are synthetic fibers? Polyester, nylon. These are synthetic fibers. Beta, apart from this, nowadays mixed fibers are also formed. They are formed by mixing natural and synthetic fibers. That is beyond your textbook. Here let us discuss this. So the plant sources, from where do we get fibers are? Cotton. Which fibers we get are? Cotton, jute and linen. And animal are wool, silk and leather. One by one we will be doing their cultivation, how they are obtained. Let us do the sum up through these things, from where we obtain these fibers. Cotton is obtained from the fruit of cotton plant, right? Cotton is obtained from the fruit of cotton plant. Jute is obtained from the stem of jute plant, right? And linen, you know, from where do you get linen? Linen, it is obtained from the stalk of flax plant, right? It is obtained from the stalk of flax plant. Like same wool, you get wool from sheep, you get silk from silkworm. But you get wool from the hair of the sheep, right? The hair of the sheep, they are used to make the woolen clothes. And from where do you get silk? Not the silkworm, from the cocoon of the silkworm. From where do you get silk? Cocoon of the silkworm. In the same way, leather, skin of the animal, right? Hope this is clear to all. Now let us move to the advantages and disadvantages of natural and synthetic fibers. First of all, let us move to advantages. And advantages means fayde, right? What are the benefits? What are more advantageous things than the disadvantages? So let us start with the advantages of natural fibers. But in natural fibers, they are biodegradable. The most important one is biodegradable, means they can be decomposed easily. There is no such problem of polluting the environment when you need to decompose them, right? Same way, number 2, after this, they do not catch fire easily, right? They do not catch fire easily. As they are not made of chemicals, so chances of catching fire are less, right? Then number 3. Number 3 is they absorb, especially cotton. Cotton, it absorbs the sweat, right? So in summers when you wear cotton, your body feels cool. And in winters, when you wear woolen clothes, these woolen clothes provide warmth to the body, right? Cotton clothes, they allow the air to pass through them. So your body gets air, right? These are the advantages. Now what are the disadvantages? Number 1, because they get decomposed, it means they are attacked by organisms like moth, right? So there are chances of getting damaged by these organisms like silverfish. They attack very frequently. So you might have seen your mom keeping naphthalene balls in these clothes, right? Why? To protect them from these microorganisms, right? Number 2, they are expensive also. These natural fibers, they are expensive and they need ironing, means proper maintenance. Okay, their crazes are not well maintained. They always need ironing whenever you want to wear it, right? These are some of the disadvantages. Now coming to synthetic fibers. The Major advantages of synthetic fibers. Number 1, they do not need any ironing. They do not need much maintenance. You just keep them for drying and you can wear it. Right? Number 2, as they are made of chemicals, they are not attacked by organisms, other organisms like insects. Right? Then they are cheap also. Right? Matlab, they are less expensive. Okay. Then coming to disadvantages. Disadvantages are, they are number 1, non-biodegradable. Means they cannot be decomposed. So their disposal is the biggest problem. How to dispose them? They are more durable. Right? This is also one of the advantage of synthetic fibers. Now beta, because they are made of chemicals, so they catch fire very easily. This is the major disadvantage of synthetic fibers. They catch fire very easily. Hope all these things are very much clear to you. In next tutorial, we will be discussing the cultivation. Right? Hope this much is clear to you.